If you're taking A-level maths and you don't know how to sketch these graphs without using your graphical calculator, then what are you doing? Stick with me, let's go through these so you know how to do them for your exam. Right, first of all, we've got a quadratic. We all know what the graph y equals x squared looks like. It will be like this. So if we've got x plus 4 all squared, it is going to look like this. And you know that either from doing a graph transformation, or we can look at what our roots are going to be and we can see it's going to be a repeated root. We also can find out your y-intercept because when x is 0, 4 squared we know is going to be 16. Remember, quadratic graphs are going to be symmetrical. So if yours looks something like that, that's not a quadratic graph. Next one, we have a cubic. What we are absolutely not going to do is multiply all this out. It's factorized so that you can clearly see the roots. So we can see we've got a root here at 2, and we've got a repeated root at -4. The other thing we need to think of is it going to be positive x cubed or negative? Again, we don't need to multiply this out. We just know negative times a positive will make a negative x cubed. If it's negative, it means the graph is going to look like this, and the end of the graph is going to point down if it's negative. This trick works for quadratics, linear, quartics. All of them work. So if it's negative, it's going to point down. If it's positive, it will point up. We can also find out your y-intercept. So when x is 0, we've got 2 multiplied by 4 squared. So that is going to be 32. Okay, y equals e to the power of x plus 2. Well, y equals e to the power of x looks like this and crosses at 1. So y equals e to the power of x plus 2 is going to look like this, and it's going to cross at 3. We're also going to have an asymptote at y equals 2. The graph of y equals 1 over x looks like this, but we've got y equals 1 over x plus 2. So the 2 is inside the function, so it's going to affect the x coordinates. So that means we're going to have an asymptote here at x equals -2, and our graph is going to look like this. We also have one more asymptote along here at y equals 0. So save this video if you found it useful and follow me for more videos like this.